You know, the absolute best advertising out there is often offered as a promise. One that's big, bold, unique, and meaningful. It is a lot easier to get positive results when you make good on what it is that you said you would do. Now, advertisers are really good at making a lot of promises, but often fail to deliver the goods. In this video, I'm going to discuss how to make a promise and then how to deliver on those goods. You know, while I work with automotive advertisers exclusively, any business out there can apply the concept of using a big promise to help increase sales. What I'd like to do is share a true story of how an advertiser made more than good on their promise. You know, some time ago I found myself in the ER of a hospital that had boldly promised in all their ads you would be visited by a doctor in 15 minutes or less. Well, being the marketing research enthusiast that I am, I took them up on their offer and I entered that ER ready to engage the timer. You know, in less than 5 minutes, I was in fact visited and diagnosed by the attending physician. And within 15 minutes of the visit, the surgeon on call confirmed his diagnosis and laid out my options. Their first promise was clearly kept. Now, throughout the rest of my visit, several more promises would be made, all of which would be kept. Now, as a consumer, I found myself pretty pleased with the outcome. Now, I still wasn't happy at all to be there, but they did deliver on the goods. Now, as a marketer, I learned several lessons that any dealer or business can apply. Lesson number one, make your promise meaningful to the customer. You know, your offer or your promise must have relevance in the life of the consumer. If they don't care about what it is that you're offering, you are wasting your money and your breath. Lesson two, make your promise really simple to understand. You'll see a doctor in 15 minutes or less. Keep it really simple and get to the point. You know, the marketing landscape is filled with a lot of clutter. If your offer is complicated or loaded with a lot of cliches, your dollars will be completely wasted. Lesson three, make your promise unique to you. You have to find a position that is different and not occupied by someone you compete with. If you choose to simply copy somebody else, you better be prepared to outspend them, as that is your only chance you have of making your message stick. You know, Me Too campaigns are typically met with a really cold response from consumers. Lesson four, make sure everybody on your team is focused on making good on the promises that you're making. You know, in our ultra competitive environment, consumers are unforgiving and they aren't going to give you a second chance to make things right. And since everybody in your company is part of the marketing team, you've got to make sure everybody is aware of the plan and the promises. And lesson five, serve those customers with a smile. You know, consumers owe you absolutely nothing. They can go anywhere they want to get whatever it is that you have to offer. Everyone I encountered during my experience greeted me with a smile and seemed genuinely interested and concerned. I even received a handwritten thank you note from the business manager. Now, that might be because I prepaid, but that's a different story. So what's the takeaway from all this? Advertisers who deliver on their promises will always reap the rewards of turning consumers into repeat customers and maybe even a few evangelists. Hey, thanks for watching this video. I really do hope you found it helpful as you go to work building a better marketing and advertising campaign for your dealership. And hey, this wouldn't be YouTube without the pitch, so here it comes. If you did like the content and found it helpful, please go ahead, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification button, and feel free to share your comments.